Hi guys, Nick here, and just leaving the house. Going to see if there's any new Lego sets earlier at Mastermind, and just me and grandma here are just waiting to wait for my mom to come back from her nail appointment so we can drop her off to her appointment, and then me and my mom going to Mastermind and see if there's anything I mastermind, and then I'll pick out the camera and see if there's anything there. So I will see you guys in a little bit. And I'm back. Don't have any new Lego sets, but I do got the here's the Spinosaurus. Here's Cretaceous toy right here, and my mom's got these cow toys for cousin, and here's for some presents. As a worker at Mastermind said that we might have some Lego sets in on during next week. So we're going to turn off the camera, finish my drink and hot dog that I'm having right now, and I pick her back up back to my house to do the outro and do a little review on a little showing of my Spinosaurus toy right here. Hey, so I will see you guys back at my house for outro, and I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Now I'm back at my house, and I'm going to show the Spinosaurus. So now I'm going to show it. I'm also going to be doing the unboxing in today's toy and Lego hunting video. Here, so here is show the Spinosaurus here. And this is branded under Jurassic World Count Cretaceous, and the dinosaur has been shown in the last season of Count Cretaceous, which was season 4, before season 5 came out, and the last movie it was in was Jurassic Park 3, here on Isosona, also known as Site B, and this is one of the biggest dinosaurs that I got. I did my Mattel Jurassic World toys I got. Here's the back. It shows the dinosaur opening its mouth, which I'm going to show. Once I unbox it, is a extreme chomp. It's a gigantic battle. It shows it right there. And right here, it shows Sammy, yes, Ben, and the younger version of Bumpy right there. And on the front here, it shows Toro, Kenji, Vulcan, and Darius. And then over here, it shows you where you can press the button for the jumping action. And now let's open up the box, which is already kind of open because it's a big dinosaur. And so let's take it out of the box and show you guys the jumping action of the dinosaur here. If I can get this straightened out. Okay, I'm going to take the out of the box so I can turn off the camera and come back and show you guys the action. It's just has attached to these things on the bottom of the box, so I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds and show you guys there's more of a Spinosaurus. In the back, just took the dinosaur out of the box, and now we'll show off the features. You can move the big arms right here. And this dinosaur had killed 2 people on Arizona in Jurassic Park 3. 3 if you saw the movie, and spoiler alert for those who haven't seen the movie. And he can move the tail of a Spino. And this dinosaur also killed that T-Rex that was in the 3rd movie. Here. And you can also move the arms right here. And in season 4 of Cretaceous, this dinosaur, spoilers for those who haven't seen in season 4 yet, this dinosaur also killed the saber-toothed tiger. That was in the desert biome. And he also kind of positioned the feet in different ways. And same with the legs here. And he's got a giant sail on the back of Spinosaurus here, which I think is right. His name is Spinosaurus. And he also can swim in the water. And he's got a pretty long snout, in which Billy thought it was Billy from Jurassic Park 3 thought it was a Suchomimus or Baryonyx because of the snout here. And it's got some different color tones here. It's got a whole lot of teeth in the mouth right here. And you see there's a button right here, which you can press down. And there's an inside of the Spinosaurus' mouth, helping with a giant tongue. And he's got had some cat-like eyes on both sides here. And before the Cretaceous, spoiler alert, which is a big dinosaur, biggest dinosaur than the T-Rex and Indominus. And this is the biggest dinosaur that was in the Jurassic World series before the Indominus Rex and Cretaceous. And this dinosaur also took down the plane by accident. And in the movie, Jurassic Park 3. And there's a budget for unboxing and reviewing of the Jurassic World and Mattel toy part of the video. At the time of this part of the video, and there hasn't been any new Lego sets quite yet. A worker at Mastermind said they are going to be expecting, they might be expecting new Lego sets at Mastermind within the coming week. So the next part of the video here is going to be on a Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. And by the time in this part of the video and the last 2 clips of the video here, it's been recorded. This part of the video has been recorded on a Friday, so which is about a week ago. By the time you guys see this video, so I will see you guys on Tuesday or Wednesday, and when they get new Lego sets, or on August 1st, that's when they come out officially. So I will see you guys when Mastermind Toys has new Lego sets. And enjoy the rest of the video here. And I'm back. It's still no new Lego sets early at Mastermind. And we're going to have the August 1st Lego sets is a couple of weeks late. So So far I found one new Lego set, and that is at Indigo. Oh, hey, that was made from Mall. Oh, and I found this new Ninjago crystallized set. Has Zane's golden dragon set. If you guys see my Ninjago video, yes, I was talking about this set being the very first one when that was leaked a while back. I think it comes with 3 minifigures right there. Here are 258 pieces, which I'm going to be doing a building review over on my main YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. And at time of the video, here I haven't found any new Lego sets quite yet. It's because we're going to be on August 1st. At time, and this part of the video is recorded. So, I will see you guys on Monday. And for you guys that will be in a couple of seconds here. So, enjoy the rest of the new Lego set hunting video, and I will see you guys when the new Lego sets are officially released, and let's continue on with this Lego hunting video. And the back is August 1st. It's an made from Mall. And waiting for Toys R Us to open because it has the new Lego August 2022. Her sets are officially released now. We're just going to wait and wait for Toys R Us to open. It's only 40 after 10 right now. The store doesn't open until 11 o'clock. You're going to see what Toys R Us has after it opens. And turn the camera back on once Toys R Us opens. And then I will see you guys in a little bit for the new August 2022 new Lego set. As there is here at Made from Mall. In Toys R Us now, just found some new Lego sets. And got the new I Am Groot set right here. And got this out of the day. And the building review of this will be coming to the channel page soon.
That's cool.
And we got Jay's Golden Dragon Motorbike. Crystal King.
We have more. We have more new stuff, but we not display at the moment. But I think after open and we'll display that. Okay. They're gonna have some more in a little bit.
Look at this dude.
Yep.
And here's some of the stuff I got before.
So stay tuned for more in a little bit.
Hey, stay tuned for more in a little bit. We're going to get some of the new sets here. And I'll see you guys for more. Back at my house. And gotta do a little haul in the video. Just got some new Lego sets here that I found out at Toys R Us. I got this Golden Dragon Motorbike here. And I got mostly Ninjago stuff for my main channel. Got this toy set right here. It's a Ninja Dragon Temple, which is a 4+ set. And here's a Lego Super Mario Party that I got. Yoshi's Fruit Tree. And he is one of the latest Ninjago crystallized Lego sets I got by Crystal King. And then right below that is the other big one, which is Lloyd's Golden Ultra Dragon. And it's got like a lot of music is on that one. Same with this other Ninjago set. Nia saw my X Mech, and it's got the most amount of pieces as I got out of this new Ninjago Lego wave. And then next I got the other medium-sized Ninjago set, which is Cole's Dragon Crusher. And here's the new Lego Infinity Saga set I got, which is I Am Groot. And it's got all of these building reviews coming to both of my channels pretty soon. And after I go on my trip down to the US. And here's a Creator 3-in-1 set I got. And it's called the Downtown Noodle Shop. And here's 2 alternate builds for the set. And then that's about it for the Lego hunting video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. And I'm almost at 100 subscribers. And share this with anybody that you guys know. And also subscribe to my main channel on Ninja Master Net for these new Lego Ninjago sets. And then get that channel to 300 subscribers. And I'll see you guys later after I'm done my trip to the US. And then I'll continue doing my Count Cretaceous Season 5 review videos. And peace.